Assalamu alaikum. It's Dean Cambridge School System. I'm Shafia Kausar, in charge of class PG. I hope all of you will be tip-top. Now students, we are going to start our study. It's our math book of class PG. Now we start the page number 3 and today we learn 4. This is 4 watts, 4 pencil colors, 4 balloons, 4 fingers. So let's we do practice how to write 4. Join the dots. This is 4. Today we have learned 4 and you learn it and also do practice to write it. Okay? Allah Hafiz.